Made boom truck here going, and we're trying to pull out another cement truck. What?
We good in the front, not gonna hit anything?
You're about an inch away from that. You're from touching the bed there. You are actually right. Oh, you're on your truck. Okay.
About the truck, but
No, I mean you're on the.
I know, I don't want to bend the bucket.
You don't want to bend the bucket up, and you're on the bucket. Okay, you're on.
Yeah, I am. All right. I think we can back the trailer under that.
I think you can back the trailer under that.
Now I can set it down on the trailer.
Yep.
And then we get the front and yank it up.
Yep.
With some J hooks.
Yep. Okay. Let's
right.
do it. Try it.
Back in. I think you have to move your truck.
Okay.
I can back down this, I guess, right?
Yep. So there you go, guys. We got Robert's homemade boom truck here. Going. And we're trying to get another cement pump. We sold 3 of them so far. Now we're getting to the hard ones.